R.R.D versus Mlbb Voltz. These matches, whoever win directly will go to the knockout stage, because they have 10 point, the same point. Those whoever get the 20 point will go to the knockout stage. Lancelot has been banned.
Time and tide wait for no man.
Beatrix has been banned. Bharat had been banned. The first pick from the Mlbb Voltz from Monica. X-Borg for the side lane. R.R.D will be able to counter the pick Thamus. Okay, Thamus. X-Borg is going to play hyper or side lane or something else. We are just confused because he always changes his battle spell. Thamus side lane from R.R.D. He is the best player of the last match. Xavier from Eric.
The choice is mine.
Thamus again from Sandy Gill. Valir from Brew. Monica, let's see what is going to pick. Rihanna, she got Maniac in the last match of she play with the Apex team. As we all know that Apex team has played already 2 matches and they lose the 2 match already, and they have one more match. Even if they win, they will not enter the knockout stage. But if they win, the one who the team are facing with Apex team, their team also will be the eliminate.
It is better to be feared.
Amon, nice hyper from CICIT. Rihanna, what she is going to ban? This is the last match of the round 2. Yuzong from Rihanna. BTYR7. BT means Bluetooth or what? Bluetooth. Kufra, he just banned Kufra. Okay, I'm not gonna mix up anymore. Tigreal, will he pick? Tigreal from the R.R.D Fate Legend. That's great tank. What the Mlbb Voltz will pick? Fanny. Atlas from Monica. Fanny again. The first match I have seen Fanny in my tournament again.
Oh my god! Wow!
What will Rihanna pick? Cloud. Will it work? I don't think that this is gonna work. Cloud. Clint again. Only the Johnson is changed by Tigreal. The Balmon is changed by Amon. This will be the great another match again. again and again and again. Another match will be start on Monday 7:30 again.
A few moments later.
Okay. Fanny is farming in the blue buff. Atlas is waiting. Even the Mace is waiting. Tigreal, I think he is going to invade or not. Let us win. Good luck. Okay. Tang is going top lane to kill for Rihanna. Not to kill Rihanna, just to help Rihanna. Fanny and the team are invading for the red buff. Net is very slow due to the bad weather. Look at this Fanny skill. Fanny skill. Oh my goodness. Oh, he missed the Vang Tua cable hook. Fanny, he just retreated. And another miss from the tank. Amon. Tang is gonna die or what? Tang is dead. Frost blood from Fanny.
Nice.
Let me have this one. My phone is so laggy because the net is not good. Well, look at this Fanny skill. Oh my god, look at this Fanny skill. I hope those who are watching this match will enjoy the match. Don't forget to subscribe, just like, just hit the like button and just comment, and if you share I will be very happy. Just share it. Nothing will be gone on your property if you share, like or subscribe anything. Just do it. Fanny is taking again the blue buff. Turtle. Amon is trying to take turtle. Oh what? Red team hero has been slain again. Thamos is taking fight again. Sandy Gill, come on, Sandy Gill, come on. He is back again. ICIT, what he can do. He can do anything. Thamos is taking fight alone again. Red team hero has been slain again. Fanny, will the Mlbb Voltz able to take for the turtle? Atlas has just done Borg when and blast it. Fanny, come on. Fanny. Blue team hero has been slain by Eric. Monica is giving a great vision for his team. Top lane, Rihanna versus Bruno. They're playing good. Tamus is playing good. Fanny is playing so good. Look at this Fanny damage. Oh my god. Don't stand near the wall, Tamus. You're gonna die. Fanny is playing so fucking good. Valir is attacking turtle alone. Monica is giving a great vision. Fanny is trying to take the turtle. Mlbb Voltz are taking turtle. Will the red team come and invade or not? Monica is waiting them on the bush again. Fanny took the turtle. He have no any buff. Ramon is still farming on the blue buff. He is still level 4. He is low in farm. Okay, top lane. Come on. Rihanna, come on. Rihanna. Oh, he just escaped it. This is great. Rihanna doesn't have damage yet. Nice miss from the Monica Atlas. Xavier went to the lane, marksman lane. The hyper of the R.R.D Fate Legion are farming so slow. Borg versus Thamus. Look at that Fanny skill, bro. Look at this Fanny skill. I can feel it. Valir is playing good. Blue team hero has been slain by Eric Darlong once again. Where the hyper, he just retreat. Clint is standing alone. Fanny went to kill it again. Look at that Fanny skill. Oh my god, he's so fast in hooking the Vang to a cable. Memon is farming on the red buff. Red team, they have lose one turret already. Whoever win of this match, they are going to look at this Fanny skill. They are going to knock out stage directly. Enemy not good. Just play on, bro. Unstoppable from Funny. Oh my god. I feel nice to watch the Fanny skill. The way how he hooked the cable, it's very great. Thamos is 0-3-0 now. Clint, due to the net, they said. I know, bro. Net is worse because of the weather. I'm so sorry, because today is your day to play. I can't do anything because the weather is so worse. Blue team just take the turtle. Amon will be able to guess. No, red team hero has been slain. Retreat. Sandy Gill has been slain again. They're showing off emote. Fanny. Let's see the Fanny view once again. Fanny is taking blue buff again. Bruno KD is 401. Bruno KD is 401. Look at this, Bruno the maze. Thamos. We can Thamos, come on, Thamos. Slain by Tigrel. Monster kill from Fanny. Fanny have been shut down. They lose already, man. Oh my god. They are freaky proud people. You are going to face with some of the good team. When you face it, you will realize that you have spoke to them, to the R.R.D Fate Legend. Mace and Tank are hiding on the boost. 234 ms here. Oh my god. If it is 234 ms, your Fanny won't be able to fly here and there like this, bro. Look at that Bruno the Maze. Look at that Bruno the Maze. Missed the stun. Kill by Bruno once again inside the tower. Kill by Bruno once again inside the tower. Bruno is rushing again. Bruno is rushing again. Will he able to kill? He just killed. Monster kill. Oh my goodness. Fanny is pushing the mid lane. Look at that Fanny damage. Look at that Fanny damage. Rihanna 0-3-0. It is so painful the way how they lose of this match. The blue team are trying to take the Lord. All of them are hiding in taking the Lord. Look at this Neymar the Maze.
Oh my god! Wow!
Immortality by Xborg. Taking out the vision. Hunter strike from Fanny. Hunter strike from Fanny again. Red team hero has been slain by Fanny. Fanny inside the tower. He just got stunned. And he pushed it again. Valir took burn the mace. The first lot, the baby lot. Will the R.R.D team able to defend? Nice stun. Valir has pushed it again. Godlike from the marksman. There again. Fanny inside the tower. Fanny. Worst cable. Nice. The winner of the last match is Mlbb Voltz. Mlbb Voltz is the winner of today's match. They have entered to the knockout stage, and the Fate Legend need to play the League of Group Stage number 3 to enter the knockout stage. They need to win this third match for 100%. If they lose it, they will be eliminated team again. If they win, they will be going to the knockout stage. Chocolate team. Okay, they are playing good. Don't forget to subscribe those who ever view this video, and please share, comment, like for more video. Thank you for watching.